Hey guys, so my name is Brittany Greene and I am the CEO and founder of Crown Financials. And I was a part of Taria Avant's the Breakthrough Conference and book collaboration. And man, oh man, oh man, I have met some of the most amazing people through this conference. I've gotten a chance to get closer to Taria as well. It just felt like home. It felt like family. We all were there for the same reason. And as we were helping people to receive their breakthrough, we were receiving our breakthrough as well. So I originally came across Taria in 2018, and I was super stoked. She actually inspired me to write my first two books, which was dope. And after being in a lot of her free conferences and different things like that, I finally had the chance to invest in myself. So one thing I will say is that she helped me understand is you have to value your time more than the dollar, because you can get the dollar back, right? So as soon as I was in a position with the ability to invest, I did, and it was completely life-changing, and for what it was that I was doing. She taught me how to have a breakthrough in my sales, how to pre-sale, how to present the right information in front of my audience and have them, immediately take action. She had some amazing coaches come in and train us on how to speak and how to prepare our presentations. Her team worked flawlessly when it came down to our chapters. It was just a very smooth process, and I really enjoyed it. And I look forward to working with her on more projects in the future. And I've gotten some bonds that are for life now. So I would definitely say take action immediately, invest in yourself, because this is just the start to a wonderful future.